Welcome back, guys. In this new video I will be showing you how to draw the sectional elevation for this video. In the subsequent video I drew this, I assembled the pieces together, and now I will be drawing the sectional elevation. To see the sectional elevation we need to look on the plan view. So this is AA, so the figure is cut across here at A. So everything is cut across here right in the middle. So the first thing to do in this case is to turn off my layers, as I will not be redrawing this. So layers are off. The next step is to tackle this piece by piece. Now this is a web, so this will not be sectioned on the flat face. This is a web as well, but this cut across on the edge, so we'll section this. These broken lines will become pronounced. Alright, so the first thing to do would be to remove this, because we will not be seeing this edge right here. So trim, TR, enter, trim that, trim this, trim that, then delete this. And this is that. Now this should be outline, so I'll be using match property, MA, enter, touch this, touch those, touch this, touch that as well. Alright, I probably should use a different color for these, just for differentiation purpose. Typically we don't use different color for it now, but I just for class purpose I'll be doing that. So I'll be using that color for this part. So this is the washer right here. So I'll be hatching the main part, the main body per se. So I'm going down to my hatch layer, go to my hatch layer and go up to hatch, left click here, choose this, left click in that space. Remember, left click here and left click here. Remember now that we do not section cutout. Here is a cutout, we do not section cutout. Neither do we section web. This is a web on the face. We don't section web on the face. However, we section web when it is cut across like this. So that is that. Now we have a bushing here. Here is a bushing. We will be sectioning the bushing. So space bar to activate sectioning. And I want the line type scale to be a little bit different, 0.5. And I also want the angle to be opposite of that. In this case I want 90. 90, enter. Then I'll touch here and there. So that is now done in a separate section. I want this to be 0.5, 0.5, enter. Oh, 1 is the minimum. Okay. Alright, so that is that. So this has been established. Now this is classified as a shaft. We do not section shaft, yeah, or bolt. So those should not be sectioned. Yeah. So this will not be sectioned, as we do not section those in AutoCAD. So this is basically the section for this. Yep. And we do not section washer either or bolt. But this line should be gone. Should not be there. Yeah. Or that should be there still. Yeah. I guess. So this is pretty much the sectioning for that. So now I'm going back to this and I'm gonna turn on dimension. Yeah, so this is basically how this look. Yep, nice and easy does it. So that is section AA, and it is highly recommended that we label it 10 enter. Section AA. Section AA. That's that. So that is that. That is now done. Quick and fast. So remember the rules for sectioning. We do not section web when it is cut along the broad face or on the elevation. We only section web when it is cut across the edge or across the narrow side. We do not section open space either. Yeah, neither do we section. We don't section bolts, nuts, washers, or rivets. Right?